Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Dian Saputra and I will chairperson today's meeting. Good afternoon. Welcome to the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City pre-construction webinar. We will get started in a few minutes. We're just going to allow some time for people to log on. Good afternoon everyone and welcome to today's meeting for the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. This ambitious project represents a significant step forward in urban planning and development. Before we dive into the details, I don't like to introduce the key member of our team who are driving this initiative. First, let me introduce our project manager, Mr. Suryo Nugroho. Mr. Suryo is the leader who oversees every aspect of the project to ensure we stay aligned with our vision. Mr. Suryo, could you share a few words?
Thank you, and good afternoon, everyone. It's an honor to lead such a transformative project. I'm confident that with this incredible team, we'll bring the vision of Kuala Kencana Modern City to life.
Assisting Mr. Suryo is Mr. Latif. He's capable of dedicated assistance ensuring that our operation flow smoothly. Mr. Latif.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here to support Mr. Suryo and the entire team to ensure that every detail is managed effectively.
Next, we have Mr. Bagas, our site manager. She is the one ensuring that all on-site operations are executed flawlessly. Mr. Bagas.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm excited to bring the vision of Kuala Kencana Modern City to reality. Talk I've seen on ground management.
For administrative tasks, we have Mrs. Dita and Mrs. Zere, who ensure our project remains organized and efficient. Mrs. Dita, could you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to contribute to this groundbreaking project. Let's make it a success together.
Mrs. Zere, would you like to add anything?
Hi everyone, I'm Charlotte to be part of this journey and look forward to supporting the team's success.
Quality assurance is crucial for a project of this scale. Mr. Irfan, our quality control inspector, ensures every component meets the HICS standards. Mr. Irfan?
Good afternoon. I am completing to my standing to their quality as we build the city of the future.
Our safety officers, Mr. Dimas Bayu and Mr. Dimas Prasakti, are responsible for ensuring a safe working environment for everyone involved. Mr. Dimas Bayu. Mr. Dimas Prasakti, do you have anything to add?
Hey everyone, I'm here to ensure safe in not just a recruitment but a culture in this project.
Lastly, clear communication is the backbone of a successful project. Mr. Eril, our engineering communication specialist, ensures seamless coordination of all technical aspects. Mr. Eril?
Thank you, Mr. Dian. My role focuses on ensuring efficient communication across teams to keep the project on track. Thank you.
Thank you, team. With so talented individuals leading this effort, I am confident that the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City will set new standards of urban innovation. We are very excited about the collaboration and discussion that will take place today. Thank you to all participants for taking the time to join us. Now that introduction are complete, let's move on to review key points from our previous meeting regarding the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. This will help us ensure that we are all aligned as we process. Mr. Surya, could you start by summarizing the main update from the project management perspective?
Of course, in our last meeting, we outlined the main milestone for phase 1 of the project. This include and preparation, infrastructure planning, and securing all necessary permits. As of today, land preparation is 18% complete, and we secured 2 out of the major permits needed for construction. Thank you all for being here today. To ensure we recovery everything properly. I'll now hand over to each team provide their updates. Let's begin with Mr. Bagas from the site operation team. Mr. Bagas, the floor is yours.
Thank you for the updates. As the site manager of the Kuala Kencana Modern City development and preparation is at 3% complete, with current focus on soil complication and drainage system. We are also ensuring that foundation and utility are ready for the next construction phase. Temporary facilities for the work and equipment store are in place. I will continue to monitor the site to ensure safety and smooth progress. Now, I'll hand it over to the next team for their update. Thank you.
That's good here. Mr. Bagas, let's keep monitoring the situation. Mr. Ivan, any findings from a quality control perspective?
Yes, During the last inspection, we identified some minor issues with the soil compliance process. Thus, we address immediately and we now conduction regular checks to ensure compliance with the required standards.
Great work, Mr. Irfan. Mr. Dimas Bayu and Mr. Dimas Bayu Prasetya, both you share updates on safety protocols.
So add to the we also schedule and refreshed training session for all one-set workers to ensure everyone remains vigilant and follows safety guidelines.
Excellent initiative. Mr. Dimas Bayu and Mr. Dimas Prasetya, Mr. Latif, I'd like you to assist me to talk out this meeting to ensure we address all the points effectively. Could you also share any administrative updates or challenge signs or last session?
Of course, Mr. Suryo. I'll be here to assist with anything you need during the meeting. Administratively, everything has been running smoothly. The only challenge we're actively addressing is streamlining the permit follow-up progress, which is progressing well in coordination with local authorities. Let me know if there's anything specific you'd like me to focus on.
Thank you, Mr. Latif. Mr. Ariel, how's communication between the engineering teams and other departments?
Thank you, Mr. Suryo. The meeting's collaborative tools and clear channel for update and urgent issue. We will enhance this further with visual tools to like all teams and ensure the project stays on track. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for your updates and insight. It's clear that we're making steady progress across all our business me challenge. With that, I'll now hand the floor back to Ivan, back to Dian as the chairperson to guide us through the remaining agenda. Mr. Dian, over to you.
Thank you, Mr. Suryo. And thank you to everyone for the detailed updates. It's great to see the team working together so effectively. Let us proceed with the next session and address any remaining topic before we conclude today's meeting. With the review complete, let us move on to our next topic, setting goals and action items for the upcoming phase of the project. Before we get started, I don't like to go over a few ground rules to ensure that our discussion is smooth and productive. First, I kindly ask everyone to refrain from interrupting while someone is speaking. Let us allow each person to complete their updates or remarks before moving on to the next. Second, there will be a dedicated Q&A session at the end of the meeting. Please save your question and comments for that time. This will help you stay on schedule and ensure that everyone's input is heard. With the site, let's begin. Mr. Surya, could you start by giving us a quick overview of the project current status?
Thank you, Mr. Dian. Good morning. Before we dive into specific, I want to emphasize how crucial everyone role in the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. Today, we'll review progress, address challenges, and set acceleration point for the upcoming phase. We'll go through updates for each team, starting with operation. Mr. Bagas, could you provide us with a progress report on the on-site activities?
Thank you. As of now, land preparation is at 3% complete, with final grinding and cell stabilization in progress. Temporary facility for work and equipment are set up. Safety audience have been conduction and improvement are being made to ensure a safe work environment. We are also finalizing the set layout for utility ahead of the next phase. Everything is on track, and I'll continue to monitoring progress closely. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bagas. Let's make sure to monitor to see adjustment closely. Next, Mr. Ivan, could you updates on quality control measures?
Thank you for giving me the floor. Good afternoon, everyone. Quality control is a critical aspect of construction project. It ensures that the work we deliver meet the highest standard of safety, complication, and durability. Let me highlight a few key points. 1. Safety. Quality control help me in the identify and mitigate risk on site, reduction the likelihood of accident and ensuring a safe working environment for everyone. 2. Complication. Adhering to building code regulation and good designer is crucial. Quality control ensures that we meet these requirements, avoiding legal complication and project delay. 3. Cost verification. Testing and addressing incurs early save time and money by preventing costly reworks, delay, and unnecessary expense. In complication, quality control is vital for maintaining safety. ensure complication, and optimizing course. It's our responsibility to uphold the standard to deliver a successfully and sustainable project. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ivan, for your clear and insightful explanation. Quality control indeed plays a crucial in ensuring the success of the development Kuala Kencana Modern City. Your point on safety, compliance, and soft efficiency are vital remains for all of us. Now let's move next the topic. Mr. Dimas Bayu, the floor is yours. Studies secure safety protocols. Thank you, Dimas Bayu and Dimas Prasakti, for the comprehensive explanation on safety protocols. Your insights and quiet line share invaluable for maintaining a safe working environment for this project. Mr. Latif, I'll hand it over to you to cover the administrative and communication updates.
Thank you, Mr. Suryo from the communication side. Mr. Eril, could you update us on the communication status between the engineering teams and other departments?
Thank you, Mr. Latif. Communication between engineering and other departments is smooth with structured update, weekly cross-department meetings, and real-time tracking via project management software. Urgent matters like design changes are promptly sought to avoid delays. We are committed to continuously improving this process to keep everyone aligned as the project progresses.
Thank you, Mr. Eril, for bringing this issue to our attention and sharing your proposed solutions. Reliable communication is vital for smooth project execution, and I trust your team will implement the necessary improvements. Now, let's move on to project administration. Miss Sabrina and Miss Dita, please share your updates.
Okay. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my presentation today. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Well, today's presentation is about development of Kuala Kencana Modern City, especially about addressing budget consideration in the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. After that, I am going to show you about Kuala Kencana, project background, budget allocation, financial challenge, budget management strategies, and conclusion of this project, and be glad to answer all of your questions after my presentation. Let's begin by addressing budget consideration in the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. Let me turn out to content, purpose, develop to support company operations and the development of Timika City with an environmentally friendly concept. Location situated in Mimika Regency, Central Papua, covering an area of 17.078 hectares. Let's move into budget allocation content. Total investment, significant investment made by PT Freeport Indonesia for infrastructure and facilities. Key expenditures, infrastructures, development of underground utilities, including power lines, communication, clean water distribution, and sewage treatment system, public facilities, construction of office buildings, public and social facilities, and place of worship. Next will be continued by my colleague, Mrs. Zeret.
Let's move out of financial challenge content. Costs are first potential challenge in managing expense period intel budget estimates. Resource allocation, balancing fund between infrastructure development and environmental sustainability initiatives. Let me turn out to budget management, strategy content, sustainable development framework, implementation of PT Freeport Indonesia Sustainable Development Framework to ensure efficient use of resources. Public-private partnership. Collaboration with the Timika Regency government exemplified by the joint investment of $10 million in the water treatment plant to provide clean water for Timika residents. Finally, I will summarize my presentation. Conclusion, context, summary, effective budgeting consideration of management have been crucial in the successful development of Kuala Kencana. Integrating environmental sustainability with modern infrastructure. Future outlook. Kuala Kencana serves as a benchmark for future urban development project in Indonesia, including the development of the capital city in the Kalimantan. The structure provides a comprehensive overview of the budgeting consideration inflow in the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. Thank you. Thank you much for your participation. And finally, it brings me to the end of my presentation. If you have any question, I will be pleasant to answer them.
Thank you, Shabina Zara. Overall, the teams have made excellent progress despite a few challenges. Mr. Suryo, I'll pass it back to you to summarize before returning the floor to Mr. Dian.
Thank you, Mr. Latif, and thank you everyone for the updates. It's great to see the dedication across all teams. Mr. Tian, I hand the floor back to you to guide us through the next agenda item.
Thank you, Mr. Suryo and Mr. Latif. The update showed significant progress, and I appreciate everyone's effort. Let's move forward with the next agenda, finishing the meeting. Now, as we approach the end of today's meeting, I don't like to summarize what we discussed and the key takeaways. Remember, if you have any future question or point to raise, the floor is open during the Q&A session. Let us continue to work collaboratively and maintain our momentum for the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City.
Before we process to the next sessions, let me provide a quick summary of today's discuss. 1. Project update. Mr. Bagas share progress on site and emphasize adhering to schedules to meet deadlines. 2. Safety protocols. Mr. Dimas Bayu cover essential safety measures, including PPE usage, site cleanliness, and emergency response plans. Mr. Dimas Prasakti add point on using the right equipment, setting up safeguard, and regular inspection of tools and equipment. 3. Quality control. Mr. Irfan emphasized the importance of quality control in ensuring safety, compliance, and cost efficiency. 4. Engineering communication. Mr. Eril highlight the signal challenge affecting communication and propose solutions such as portable boosters and adjust schedules. 5. Project administration. Mrs. Zara and I discuss update on documentation, resource tracking, and coordination with authorities to streamline the project. In conclusion, today's meeting provide clear action items and solutions to address ongoing challenge. Thank you all for your input and dedication to the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. Let's continue to work toward the success of this project.
Thank you, Mrs. Gita, for the detailed summary. With this clarity, let us process to the next session. We will now open the floor for a Q&A session. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you, Mr. Dimas Bayu. For the question, Mr. Irfan, could you please address that?
Of course, thank you, Dimas Bayu. Ulang. Of course, thank you, Mr. Dimas Bayu, from your request to ensure complication with safety standard. Will be implementing regular such impression and audit using checklists and likened with industry standards. Will also use digital tools to monitor progress and tracks complication in real time. Additionally, will provide training session from working to ensure they fully understand the safety protocols. Their steps should use maintains a healthy life of quality and safety throughout the project.
Thank you, Mr. Irfan, for the detailed response. Due to time contraction, if there are any other questions, please submit them through the chat box located in the bottom corner. We will ensure they are addressed promptly after the meeting. With that, I officially close today's meeting. Thank you all for your contribution and dedication. Have a great day ahead. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.